Hello everyone. Again we are back with our new YouTube channel on research articles. So yesterday we have discussed number one research article which is based on equipping smart coasts with marine water quality IoT sensors. So yesterday we have discussed why are sensors used, and in IoT why sensors are used at the coasts. Okay, so we have discussed shellfish hatchery, so how sensors are made and what type of benefits we can get from these sensors. Like we can check the temperature of the water level or the ocean, we can check the salinity of the water level, we can check the temperature of the water level, and we have hardware, firmware, as well as web visualization analysis software. Okay, so we have also discussed about the dashboard. Now today we will discuss the diagram, how the sensors are used on the marine coasts. Okay, that's why we call them smart coasts. Clear? So today we will discuss the diagram. Here we have a seahorse case with cell modem, an antenna connected, and one rechargeable battery. So this is the basic structure of a IoT sensors at the coasts, and or we can say the smart coast. So the smart coast is made up of a seahorse case with a cell modem. We have an antenna connected in it. Why antennas are used? Antennas are used to transmit and receive signals. Antennas are used for transmission and reception of signals. We have different types of antennas. You have discussed in your BTEC: parabolic reflector antenna, okay, horn antenna. So these are different kinds of antennas. Yagi Uda antenna. So here we connect one of the antennas. Generally we use parabolic reflector antennas or rechargeable battery there in the circuit, and we have a one protected cover over there, and the cellular data is transmitted to the Google Sheets. Here we have connected the we have used the antenna, and the data is transmitted to the Google Sheets via particle webhooks. Okay, so one term is called ERDAP. ERDAP is the Environmental Research Division's Data Access Program. I will share the link in the description, and you can check over there that the Environmental Research Division's Data Access Program is there, where you can get the information about the research or the parameters we have checked there. You can check. And one more link I will share in the description, which is the particles electrons code and instructions for populating a Google Sheet through particle integration is available. Okay, where the information of the particle is available. According to this circuit diagram, whatever the information is sent to the Google Sheets, you can check through the link in the description. So why this circuit is used? For the real-time access of information of water, to check the temperature of water, its salinity, temperature, and pressure. So what is the technology overview of this project? The project team deployed a Seahawks. You can see the Seahawks in the diagram with a cellular enabled surface. Okay, we have one Seahawks structure is there, where we can get the real-time data from AHL. Clear? AHL observations you can see from the diagram. The Seahawks, what is the Seahawks? What is Seahawks? Seahawks is a multi-parameter oceanographic sensor. It is a sensor, multi-parameters means it can check the multi-parameters from the ocean, and it can measure the pH level. Yesterday we have discussed the pH will be lesser. Why? Because the water absorbs carbon dioxide into it. The more carbon dioxide is absorbed by the ocean, the much lesser pH is there. So The sensor, Sheep hook sensor can sense temperature, pH level, dissolved oxygen, salinity, and water depth. Water depth. Clear? Again, I am sharing the information why Sheep hawk's sensor is used in this circuit. It is a multi-parameter oceanographic sensor package which is used for measuring pH level of the ocean, dissolved oxygen in the ocean, salinity in the ocean, temperature and water depth. The surface buoy contains a particle electron 3G. The surface contains a electron 3G cell antenna. Like in the circuit, it is written an antenna is connected and a rechargeable battery. One battery is also connected for the transfer of electrons, as well as UART RS322 converter. Converter is also used, and some connecting wires and cables as we use in every circuit we have, and these connectors and cables are used for communication link between Sheep hawks and the converter. We have one converter is there in the seahorse case with antenna and rechargeable battery. So connectors are used to connect the Sheep hawk sensor with the circuit. The electron pulls the Sheep hawks. What does the circuit do? The electrons in the circuit pulls the Sheep hawk. Sheep hawk is the sensor, and it sends the information and sends the resulting water quality data. Whatever the data the sensor has collected, the Sheep hawks has collected, it will share the data to the Google Sheet at hourly intervals. Means every hour. Again, I am sharing every hour we can check the data. We can check the data through the links that I will share in the description today, and data are logged into the Sheep hawks for added redundancy. Clear? So one system is there which is called SCCOOS, the Southern California Coastal Observing System data integration script. Subsequently extracts quality control data from the Google Sheets. One team is there which is called SCOOS, Ocean Observing System. One observing system is there, like they regularly collects the data about the ocean. So this system extracts quality control data from the Google Sheet every hour, every minute. Whenever they want to collect the information, they can collect from the Google Sheet and upload the data in a publicly available repository. Repository means where a collection of data is there. Like I am a researcher, okay, I am not in the system, I am a researcher, I can. So this is the technology overview I have shared. I have shared the ERDDAP. It is written the Environmental Research Division's Data Access Program. In the link, I will share the description. You can check the information from the link by visiting the link. The particles electron code and instructions for populating a Google Sheet through particle integration is also available at the Google Sheet. You can check the information from there. So this is about the article. The first article we have discussed, research articles. The MTECH students, MTECH EC students who are pursuing MTECH, they can use this article or innovate accordingly. This is an idea, a kind of an idea I have taken, and if you want to pursue, if you want to prepare your thesis, also BTech students who are in IOT and communication, they can also check this article. Okay, this is the first article. Till then, bye, take care, have a nice day, thank you.